Hello everybody, I'm back! After just 3 months of no videos, I'm back with another my Lego Rockapar Explosion update. And as you can see, in the back of the side of the Rockapar Explosion, it's a new backdrop. And here is the new stages. Hi Pats. Hi Bird. Hi everyone. As you can see, I have removed everything, like everything, because like 1 month ago I removed everything here, like all of them was removed, and this was once the stages of them, but I removed everything, like it is assembled everything except the animatronics, but their old stages was removed and destroyed for a new one. Is this? I'm still not done because I am missing some bricks, but I'm going to be done like maybe next week, like that. It's going to be 2 blocks high now, except of one. And then I removed the ceilings, everything, but going to, what's that called? There we go. I'm going to reuse the backdrops of the old stages for the new stage, but I'm going to add some new backdrops too, because look at this, look how small is this, and look at the big one. Oh no, rainbow. Just look at this, see, it's not big enough, there's still some space missing. So the lights used from the old stage is going to be reused too, and it's over here, the battery is here, and here's the look of them. Have a look. Note, I'm still not done on this yet. There's still some changes I'm going to do on this stage. And I have some artwork on the Sobeys Supply sign here too. Like this Rolf Penel, Duke Laro, Pats and Mitzi, Beach Bear, and Billy Bob. And also, if you're wondering where is the old ceilings, oh no, wait, it's over right here. Everything is here. Like this is the old ceiling of the center stage. As you can see, it's big. And here's the old ceiling for rope. Is this rope in our ceiling? I don't know. Billy Bob's? I forgot. Oh, the lights is still here. LOL. And here's the old sign. And here's some. Oh no! Okay, there we go. It's back. Like I said, this is the old balances, but I'm going to reuse this and fix it because it's broken. Oh my goodness! Oh, the darkness. There we go. Okay, so I think that is just the update right now. I forgot what is the update number, but yeah, next video you're gonna see the backdrops there putted, and over here on Billy Bob stage, and maybe the ceiling too, or maybe the curtains, I don't know, but you will see soon. But this is a new era started for my Lego Rock Apart Explosion. There we go. That's a nice thumbnail. So, like I said, everyone, this is a new era of them. And on these new stages, I'm really going to do the stop motions like I promised you guys. And yeah, I'm speechless on how proud I am to myself. So, goodbye everyone. Let's see you again on my next video if I have because of the views. Bye bye.